we are looking at how to pronounce this name, as well as how to say more interesting, sometimes confusing, and some of the most mispronounced names too. So make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. This is a name from Greek meaning wisdom. How do you say it? In English it is normally pronounced as Sofia. Sofia, with this emphasis on this second phi syllable. Of course, ph makes the sound of f. Sofia. Some may pronounce it also as Sophia, Sophia, or Sophia. And now you know. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.